I replace the control panel. On the front I'm getting PEO on freezer and OOO on refrigerator temp. It's a Maytag model MF12569U0.
One moment please. Hello, my name is I'm looking at diagram of your refrigerator. What part did you replace? The interface in the front or the HV board in the back?
Okay. I'm thinking this is a ripoff.
Can you tell me which part you replaced? The one in the front or the back of the refrigerator? Here is a link to customer service chat if this helps. http://worldwar2.justanswer.com/help.
In the back.
My name is Woody. I will be glad to assist you today. I have been servicing all major brands of appliances for 36 years. I own my own appliance repair company and I teach appliance repair at a local community college. I have over 100,000 plus in-home repairs and over 80,000 internet repairs under my belt. You will be paying me for my answer to your appliance question, not for the repair of your appliance, hence the name of this site, Just Answer. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. With the new control board, did you get instructions on how to program the new control board?
No.
The new control should have come with an instruction sheet telling you how to program the new control board to your refrigerator. Okay, here is how to program the control board. You will need to look at your model and serial tag to find the code on the tag. Then programming mode. Note, the program code is located on the serial plate on this unit after the word code. 1. Press and hold the door alarm keypad. 2. Press and hold freezer temperature down/keypad within 3 seconds. 3. Release the door alarm keypad and wait 3 seconds. 4. The control will display P to indicate the programming mode. 5. Entry is confirmed by pressing the freezer temperature down/keypad once more. 6. The control will display the current program code. This value should be validated with the program code printed on the unit serial plate. Note, if the program code is correct, the programming mode is exited by pressing door alarm keypad for 3 seconds. 7. Press the refrigerator temperature up/plus keypad or refrigerator temperature down/keypad to change the digit value with each key press. 8. The decimal point indicates the selected digit. Press the freezer temperature up/plus keypad to select the next digit. 9. Once the desired program code is entered, press and hold the freezer temperature down/keypad until the program code begins flashing, indicating it has been saved. Note, if you attempt to enter an invalid program code, the control will not save the new code, but will beep. The unit will not run with a program code of 0000. Once the program code has been saved, the programming mode is exited by pressing any key. If the new code is incorrect, this process should be repeated. The programming mode can be exited at any time by pressing door alarm key for 3 seconds or will exit if unattended for 4 minutes. Defrost operation. The control board adapts the compressor run time between defrost to achieve optimum defrost intervals by monitoring the length of time the defrost heater is on. After initial power up, defrost interval is 4 hours compressor run time. Defrost occurs immediately after the 4 hours. If you have any questions, just reply back to me.
Got it, thanks.
Great, always glad to assist you anytime. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me WHRLP MasterTech.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.